and welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today we're going to be creating a cute little otter card with a little light up heart. So I have already prepared a blended panel. So I've blended salvage patina and broken china inks onto that. Those are the Distress Oxide inks. And I'm just going to splatter that with a little bit of water to kind of make it into a watery, bubbly background. And then I've got these cute little otters from this month's Die of the Month from Spellbinders. So let's just quickly pop one of these together so you can see how they go. And then we'll start our light up element. So I'm just going to add a little bit of black cardstock to the back of there so that his eyes and his nose show through. And then I'm just going to add his face onto his body. And then you can see if I put that on there, kind of blends into the face. So I'm just going to add a little bit of pen around here to add a little shadow under his head. And then I'm going to add on this so that it says "No otter like you." And then I can glue on his little arms and his little tail. So then those are going to sit like that on my card. So then we want somewhere for the light to come through. And I'm going to use this small heart die from that same die set to go between here. And I thought it'd be really cute to light up that heart. So let's just die cut that a second. So then I'm going to build our circuit on the card base. So this piece of cardstock is 5 by 3 3/4 inches and we're going to put it on this card blank. So I'm just going to line that up and I'm going to just put a dot there where I want that light to be. And then also I want you to press this otter to turn on the switch. So I need to represent where he's going to be too. So I have my switch light here. So we've got one of these new Launchpad batteries. So I'll pop that over here in my circuit. Then I'll draw on where I want my LED sticker to go. So you can see I'm going to use one of the original stickers, and this template just allows you to draw around that so that you know where your sticker's going to go. And this is the negative part and this is the positive part of the sticker. So it's going to be a simple circuit. So I'm just going to draw my lines in red for the positive side of the circuit. And then in blue for the negative side. So the negative side I'm going to incorporate the switch on. So I'm going to go across here. Then I'm going to leave a space for my switch, because otherwise if we don't leave a space then the switch will always be on, which obviously we don't want. And then we're going to go across here. So let me rub out my initial pencil line so you can see that more clearly. So then we're going to grab our conductive fabric tape and we're going to follow those lines. So you can just turn the corner when you get to the corner. And then I need to cut it off there because we're coming to that gap. And then I can start again the other side. And then I'm going to do the positive, so I'm going to go across this side and then I'm going to go down here. So then for our switch, all we need is a piece of cardstock or paper folded in half. And on one side, I'm going to add some tape, the same fabric tape we used for the circuit. I'm doing a couple of lines just so that I know that it's going to link that circuit up properly. And then on the other side I'm going to add some glue. So we obviously need to glue this where this is going to go across that gap. So it needs to touch on both sides. So then I can glue that there. And that naturally pops up because we've bent it. So then the switch will push it down. So then let's add on our battery. So I'm going to add that on with some more of the fabric tape, or if you've got the fabric patches, those are great for those already. It's basically, the patches are basically the fabric tape but already cut up for you into small pieces. And then I've got a colour pack of the LED stickers, and I'm going to grab one of the pink ones. And we need to make sure we're putting that on the right way so that the positive side goes on the positive part of the circuit and the negative on the negative part. And then you can see that when we push the switch down, the pink light turns on. And then I'm just going to add a couple of other pieces of fabric tape over the top of that light just to make sure it's not going anywhere. We've got our circuit, and this is the best thing about the Chibitronics circuits, is that because you create them yourself, you can have the battery wherever you want, you can have the switch wherever you want, you can have this wherever you want, so you can be as flexible as you like. So then I'm going to grab a small piece of vellum, and I'm just going to put that on the back of that heart that we cut out of the front panel. And then we can just add some foam tape behind it and add that up there. So then I'm going to pop that up on there. So then I'm going to glue on my little otters. So then when I press this otter's belly, the little heart lights up, which I think is really cute. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when there's a new video available. All of the products that I've used for this card are listed in the description below, and there's also links there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.